Online students, please be ready with your textbook, vocab textbook. You have the textbook? Why? Durgesh sir, ask him to get the printout. For me, it's 22. For you, it would be something 25 or something, I guess. Because, yeah, 1 minute. Vocabulary book.
Oh, sorry.
Hmm. Chapter number 3. Textbook लाइयो. Vocabulary. Thank you. Uh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Why am I seeing you after so long? Where were you all these days? Same timing in the evening. All right. Okay. Online students, are we ready? Before we begin with the chapter has a list of words that we tend to get confused with. Okay. अब confusion कहाँ होता है? या तो spelling में होता है या तो the way we speak उसके pronunciation में होता है, right? And sometimes pronunciation is way too different, बहुत separate है, but sometimes we don't know how do we speak. तो उसमें confusion होता है. Sometimes we don't know how to speak, sometimes we don't know how to write. तो spelling और pronunciation के base पे we usually get confused. How many of you are aware with homophones? Or homographs? सुना है? What are those? Online students, you people can respond. It would be better if you do. If you don't want to, you can also write it in the chat. So the common thing in between these two words is this. ठीक है? Homo means one or same, we can say. अभी phones क्या होता है? Phones is sound. Graph is something or anything related to right. 1 minute. writing. Okay. One sound, that means two words that have the same sound, or if they are pronounced in the same way, then they are homophones. Same spelling, sorry, same sound, different spelling, homophones. On the contrary, same spelling but different sound, homographs. लेकिन अगर स्पेलिंग भी सेम है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी सेम है, मतलब एक ही वर्ड है, it's written the same way, it's spoken the same way, but it has different meanings, then that is homonym. मतलब नेम सेम है, सेम नेम, ठीक है. होमोनिम इज अ बिगर ब्रांच, उसके अंदर आता है होमोफोन्स एंड होमोग्राफ्स. राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल होमोनिम का हम एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं बार्क, बार्क ऑफ अ ट्री, डॉग्स बार्क. ठीक है. होमोफोन्स का एग्जाम्पल हम ले सकते हैं टू, 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 सेम साउंड, different spelling. Homograph, give me an example. Think of it and give me an example. Yes, but different sound. सोचो. Now we will look at these examples that are given in the textbook one by one. Meanings are not here, meanings are in the textbook. Here we just have the usage कि वो word किस तरह use करते हैं हम, with the help of the examples, with the help of the sentences. Okay. Accept. We are going to rush very quickly. Okay. Online students, please ask if you do not get anything, because I'm going to rush as there is a full-fledged exercise ahead. And I intend to finish that in today's class. Okay, accept, we all know what it is. ठीक है? It is usually confused with except. Spelling अलग है. Pronunciation almost similar है. It's not the same, I would say, but similar है. Except, what does it mean? वो तो ये हुआ ना. This one. हाँ. Apart from that. उसके अलावा, right. What you are saying is this one. Accepting. This is apart from something. Okay. Expect. Predict. Hope for. Can say. Yeah. Adverse. You can guess the meaning based on the context of the sentence. Somebody left. Sorry? Intense. Yeah. Unfavorable. Something which is not that you expected. It's something bad. Okay. Averse. Right. You don't like it. You oppose it. I'll. Sorry? It's the same as this is more poetic. This is used in daily conversations. It's the same. Okay. Next is, what is the word you can think of when you read this spelling?
From this word.
A similar word to which, yes, yes. I'll. What does it mean? बहुत प्लेन में घूमी हो. Anything in between the rows, anything. It can be a it's like a corridor. This is also an aisle. Train में, plane में. This is also an aisle. This is also an aisle. Okay. Allusion. Indirect reference. Illusion. What is this?
That's not how it appears to be.
Brahm. You know what it is? It's not it. Altar. On the place where? Can say. Can say. It's kind of a sacred platform. मतलब एक raised platform. It can be a table also. अगर for example जहाँ मैं खड़ी हूँ, अगर यहाँ पे कोई ceremony हो रही है, this can also be called as an altar. Okay. Altar. Change. A lot. A lot. A lot. Assistants. Assistants. Beside. Sure.
Next to. In this case, it's next to.
Besides.
Apart from.
Beside और besides के बेस पे बहुत सारे questions आते हैं एग्जाम में. So be careful. This is what? Breathe. Breath. What is breath? It's which part of speech? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb. What is it? It's a noun. It's a noun. This is, how do you say this? Yes, this is a verb with E, breathe. Capital. It has multiple meanings. Here it's only given one. What is the other meaning? Yeah. Yeah, the money that the cash used for investment or something. Capital. It's a government building, usually in reference to US. Okay. Complement. Yeah. Compliment. हाँ. तुम लोग कर सकते हो अपने टीचर्स को कॉम्प्लीमेंट. इट्स ओके. थैंक यू. ओके. कॉप्स. पुलिस. Yes. Do not get confused this with police. Police वाला है COPS. Okay. Military people who are related to military force. The pronunciation of this word, the OG pronunciation is CORE. core. The Britain pronunciation, मतलब जो CORE जो वर्ड होता है उसको जो प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है, अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में दे फोकस ऑन आर, कोर. ब्रिटेन इंग्लिश में दे एलिमिनेट द आर, इट्स लाइक को. आर बोला जाता है बट इट्स नॉट heard. It's almost silent. It's not very prominently heard. तीसरा, Indian pronunciation, it is as it is. Yeah, which is not correct, but it's very famous. Corpse with E. Yes, dead body. This is, what is the, how do we say this? Dairy or diary? Dairy. This is diary. Do you all maintain a diary? You should. This is खाने वाला डेजर्ट या फिर ओके स्वीट डिश. लैंड. The first E in this is pronounced slightly as I. It's not desert, it's dessert. Okay. Advice. Mm, you're close, but it doesn't mean that. Suggestion and recommendation is given, can be positive, can be used in positive and negative connotation. However, advice is always positive. Okay, सिर्फ connotation का difference है. The meaning you can say more or less it's the same. But tell me, is this, what is the part of speech? What is it used as in a sentence? Noun. It is always positive. Always. If I ask you to go and jump from here if you're not feeling good, that's not an advice. Okay. हाँ, noun है, verb है. Noun. Sure. Okay. This one. By the way, this also means the same. Meaning same है, part of speech अलग है. That means the role that they are playing in the sentence is different. Yes. Noun is name of something. Verb is the action. Name, उसका meaning same है. C is used as a noun. मतलब उसके आगे you cannot add ing or ed. This is an action. You can add ing, you can add ed to it. Okay. I also gave you a hint on how to remember this. C पहले आता है, N for noun पहले आता है, S बाद में आता है, V for verb बाद में आता है. So that way you can remember if you are not able to recall it when you are required to. Affect. Effect. Yeah. Again, noun, verb. Affect is a verb. Effect is a noun. Okay. You can read the sentence if you want to. Divyana, are you following? Nikunj, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Nikunj?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Online students, you people can make a note of the meaning of something that is very peculiar or you think you need to recall at the time of revision. Please write it beside the words given in the printout or the book if you have. Okay, allude. It's the same as allusion that we did earlier. This is just the verb form of it. What does it mean? Indirect reference. Elude. To avoid, to escape. This is angle or angel? Angel, we all know what it is. Angle. Accent. We know what it is. कोई NRI है यहाँ पे? NRI. Accent. मैथ्स में असेंडिंग ऑर्डर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर तो पढ़ा ही होगा बचपन में. Yes. Ascending, right? Yeah. Decreasing. Ascent. Oh, wait. I didn't change. This ascent. No? In agreement of something. To agree with something. Empty. Tolerate. Bore. It's an animal. Bore. Sorry? दोनों का मीनिंग अलग है. The second one is the one that you people are feeling right now. Maybe. Okay. First one, yes. The first one is related to drilling a hole. It can be used figuratively also, and it can be used directly, literally as well. Okay. एक और है इसका. जो हमने पीछे बेयर देखा था, टॉलरेट वाला. Okay, that is a verb with the first form. What is the second form? Bore. ठीक है. And this is a verb. Is this a verb? BORN. Born. Did you understand this? Bear means to tolerate. It's the first form of verb. The second form, that means the past form of this, the same verb is, yeah. Okay. This. Okay, we'll do this in the next one. Online students, did you understand this one? Okay. We all know what is this. Born. Now what is this? To create. But this is not a verb. This is not to stop. This is ब्रेक लगाते हैं ना व्हीकल में. This is that. This is The surface on which we paint. But what is that surface? The same surface is used for other things also apart from painting. She said the meaning of canvas is it's the surface on which we paint. Yeah, it's a fabric. It's not, it's a fabric but cloth नहीं है. Cloth और paper के बीच का fabric है. Apart from the surface on which we paint, we also use canvas for something else. It's also used for making tents. Okay. What is this canvas? Yeah, लिखा है उसमें. She went door to door to canvass for voters to survey. No. Course. Rough. Course. How do you say this word? Conscience. Conscience. What does it mean?
Steady state.
Conscious. You're fully aware. This conscience with N, which has science in it, this is related to your ethics or moral values. This one is related to you being aware. पूरे होशो आवाज में. Okay. Council. स्कूल में काउंसिल मेंबर्स होते हैं. या काउंसिल जो यहाँ पे होता है, क्या होता है? Yes. Giving advice, it can be related to anything. थेरेपी वाला काउंसिल भी हो सकता है, वेलबींग के लिए जो होता है, मेंटल वेलबींग. डॉक्टर्स जो कंसल्टेशन देते हैं फिजिकल वेलबींग के लिए, वो भी हो सकता है. लीगल एडवाइस जो होती है उसके रिलेटेड भी हो सकता है. एजुकेशनल जो यहाँ मिलता है उसके रिलेटेड भी हो सकता है. कैन बी एनीथिंग. डिसेंट. असेंट का ऑपोजिट डिसेंट. इंक्रीजिंग, डिक्रीजिंग. असेंडिंग, डिसेंडिंग. डिसेंट. असेंट, agreement. Dissent, disagreement. Same thing. Opposites, antonyms. Disagreement. Yes. Device. Advice, CE और SE में जो डिफरेंस है वही सेम डिफरेंस डिवाइस विद C एंड डिवाइस विद S में है. One is a noun, one is a verb. C1 is a noun and S1 is a verb. Discrete. Secret नहीं है. Discreet means when someone is kind of modest, when someone is very careful with their behavior, when someone is हम बोलते हैं ना बहुत सहमा हुआ है, संभला हुआ इंसान है. It can be related to obviously the behavior, the appearance, anything, but it is in that context. Okay. This discrete. Different, separate, अलग अलग. Dominant.
Authoritative.
Yeah. Dominate, same meaning, the verb form. To dominate, to be authoritative. Dying,
Fabric.
can be, but not only fabric related. Fabric में क्या? Color, color. Paper भी हो सकता है, paint भी हो सकता है, it can be anything. Dying. Eminent. Yeah. Famous, popular, important. Imminent, imminent. Imminent. Yeah, something that is about to happen. Every day. It can be often confused with every space day. Meaning similar है. Every day अगर if it is used as a single word तो उसका meaning है हर रोज on regular basis. मतलब उस पे action पे ज्यादा focus किया जाता है. Okay. So this can be used as an adverb of time कि ये काम रोज होता है. Okay. On the other hand, every day. Here, day is the noun and every is its adjective. Every day. मतलब हर every other day. This is the difference in the meaning. Okay. Very slight thin line difference, but it's there. Father. Okay. Further. What is the difference? Farther with A means आगे, but it's related to measurable distance. If you want to go ahead, if you want to reach there, if you want to reach till that temple, you need to go 10 kilometers farther, not further. वो distance से related है, अगर if it's measurable. However, fu वाला further जो है, it can be used in different contexts. Okay. This can be used figuratively. This can be used with reference to distance as well. बट वो डिफरेंट बट वो डिस्टेंस जरूरी नहीं है कि मेजरेबल ही हो. फोर्थ. आगे, कम अहेड. फोर्थ.
Position.
यस. हियर.
Yes.
What is the difference between hear and listen?
Listen.
One is active, the other is passive. इतना ही difference है. Listening is active, hear is passive, with all the background noise and everything. Here, इधर. Hoard. Collect. Hoard. Yes, group of. Human. Humans? Yeah. Human. It's given here. You didn't read? Okay. You knew it already? Nice. Yeah. So related to kindness, compassion. Later. Latter. Next one. Lesson. Yes, reduce. Lesson. Yeah. Lose.
Lose.
Opposite of tight.
Not.
Lose.
Defeat.
Meat.
Eat.
Flesh. Meat. We all know this. This is also called meat, similar to MEET. नींद आ रही है? You can have a sip of water. This is contagious. Please. You want to go wash your face? You want to go and have a round? I permit you. Meat means it's related to, in order to give something. Usually legal situations में होता है. Legal यानी law के उसमें कुछ punishment, reward or something that you give. Okay. Minor. Correct. The one who works in mines. Minor. Yeah. Past. 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 Dew. Drops. Dew drops. Dew. Not yet. Dead. Yeah. Die. Die. We've already done this. Elicit. No. You're close, but it's not that. तुम्हारे तो क्वेश्चन ही इसी वर्ड से बनते हैं. People should know the meaning. Come on. To
Get.
close.
Achieve.
To get or to achieve is the next step. First is to extract, बाहर निकालना किसी चीज से कुछ. To understand something. RC आता है सबको, रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. उसमें से व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड, रीड करके हाउ डू यू कम टू अ कंक्लूजन कि अच्छा इसका मीनिंग ये है. फर्स्ट यू elicit. Okay. हाँ. Illicit. Elicit. Illegal. Smuggle. Illegal. How do you say this word? Envelope नहीं बोलते? Sure. What does it mean? 100% sure.
I'm asking.
This is envelope. Now tell me the meaning. Meaning. Not to hold, surround something. You were close though. Understood? This is envelope. And this is a noun. पहले वाला जो था, that was a verb. You can add ed or ing to this. This वो letter वाला envelope. This is a noun. Proper noun. You cannot change the form of this. Fair. Fair. The other meaning? Formally. Not.
Professional.
कह सकते हैं. Yeah. Formerly.
Previously.
हाँ. Gorilla, it's an animal. Gorilla. हिस्ट्री की बुक्स में पढ़ा होगा.
This is English textbook.
Gorilla tactics तो हिस्ट्री में. What is it though? What does it mean? Divyana. Warfare tactics where you hide and then attack. Herd. It's a surprise attacks. वही बोला ना मैंने. You didn't understand. What's your query then? What I said is wrong. Then what happened? Okay. Now you're clear? Okay. Herd. The past form of here. Herd. Herd. Here it's used as in the figurative form. Indirect use किया है. Gorilla. Gorilla.
That strategy or the second.
It is usually used on areas where there is a possibility or a probability to hide yourself. Mountain area में ज़्यादा होता है. The soldiers used to.
Bunker जैसा.
नहीं.
How do you pronounce it?
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla. With a double L. The emphasis is on L. Gorilla. Yeah. Okay. It's yeah. Pronoun. Yes. Which pronoun? Possessive pronoun. We've not done pronouns in this. We haven't. We haven't. It's. It is. It has. It was. Okay. Lead. Pencil में जो use होता है. One is that. It is very similar to graphite, but it's not graphite. It's different. And what is the other meaning? Leader वाला lead. Lead. लीडर वाले लीड का पास्ट फॉर्म लेड. or the cause of something. This led to this. Okay. Lightning. Yeah. Lightning. तुम तो लग रहा है अभी यहीं सो जाओगी. घर से अपना नींद पूरी करके आया करो यहाँ पे. एक तो वैसे ही dispatches. MWF is full of the classroom. This batch has 4 to 5 students. It has to be lively. I cannot work like this. Please. Lightning. Yes, that's one. Second, बहुत ज़्यादा अगर literal sense में लिया जाए तो what to kill. Yeah, थोड़ा not dull, या तो bright बना देना या फिर उसके color को light कर देना, lighten. Maybe. Now maybe it's like every day. Maybe used as a single word and may space be. इन दोनों में क्या difference है?
Maybe this maybe is like that. Shayad or not.
Yes. Perhaps, shayad. Maybe I should.
Space one has a possibility that maybe this happens.
Yes. This without space one, it is used as an adverb. Maybe I should trust you or not. Okay. The second one, this with a space. Now here an ay may is used as the modal verb. If you are aware of, the auxiliary verbs has two types. One is helping, one is modal. Can, could, will, shall, should, may, might, ये सारे modal verbs होते हैं. Okay? उसमें जो may आता है, this is that. जो पीछे था with a single word, that is used as an adverb. Here this is used as a modal verb. Okay? Here you can replace this with might. Here you cannot replace this with might. Okay? Yes. Metal. This is the metal that we know. Yeah. No. Extra. Yeah. Metal.
Skill, talent,
I want to say close, but
abilities.
हिम्मत दिखाना, to show courage, to have courage. This is very similar to वो अचानक से spark या confidence आता है ना कुछ करने का. This is that.
Motivation.
Can say. Not exactly, but can say. Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah, okay. Moral. Moral of the story. But what does it mean? Learning कह सकते हो. Conclusion भी कह सकते हो. This is pronounced as morale. What does it mean? The spirit, the confidence, patience. Gen Zs do not have patience, not even 1%. Yes. Is this that patience that I just mentioned? Okay. Patience. Peace.
Mental peace. Mental peace.
Peace. Pedal. Cycle wala pedal. Pedal. To push yourself to sell something. Plain. Plain surface. Simple. Plain. Presence. Yeah. Being there. Present. Now this has one meaning is gifts. The other meaning is right now, currently. Okay. Quite. Yeah, considerable, very, yes, enough.
Present.
T wala present?
PNT वाला.
गिफ्ट देते हैं हम. गिफ्ट. That is also gift का synonym is present. I got 2 presents on my birthday from one of my good friends. ठीक है, वो presents. दूसरा meaning is currently, right now वाला present. बट उसमें हम वी डोंट ऐड एस टू इट. प्रेजेंट जो गिफ्ट वाला है, टू मेक इट प्लूरल वी ऐड एस. ठीक है, प्रेजेंट इज द वर्ड, लेकिन अगर हम उसमें एस ऐड करते हैं तो वो गिफ्ट वाला होता है. एस नहीं ऐड करते देन इट हैज टू मीनिंग्स, गिफ्ट एंड राइट नाउ. Quite, we've done this. Quiet. Quiet. You all are quiet. Raise.
Increase.
खुद से करना या खुद से हो जाना.
Raise.
One is R-A-I-S-E and one is R-I-S-E. Rise. हाँ. The sun rises. Raise is खुद करना. Okay. Raise. कह सकते हैं. To take down something. गिरा देना. Okay.
What's rubble?
हाँ. Sorry.
What's rubble?
Rubble.
What's the sentence last word?
Pieces. Respectfully. Sorry. हाँ, respectfully. We all know this. You all should be respectful. Respectively.
Division.
हाँ. Right. It has multiple meanings. Second one is
Direction.
direction. What is the third meaning? हाँ. Right. Rituals. Scene. View. The scenery. Scene. Scene. This is a past. Which form of verb this is for see? The first form of verb is see, S-E-E. Second is saw. Third is seen. See, saw, seen. Sight. Yeah.
In the place.
Yes, the exact location, the place. Sight. You people should know this.
Mention what is.
Yes. Source. Yeah. Source mention karna. Straight. Straight. This has two meanings. The other one is very relevant to today's era. Straight. This is a geographical landscape. Sometimes ocean ke beach mein there is a piece of land. It's like a isle in between the water body. That isle thing, that little land, row of land is called a strait. Okay. Than, we all know this is used to add comparison. Then, through, thorough, completely, track.
It's fine.
Locate, huh? The other meaning?
This.
Path, yeah. Tract. It's a piece of land, a whole territory. Wave. Wave. To remove. Weather. Weather condition. This weather means condition. ठीक है? Whose?
What's happening?
This is usually used in the object part of the sentence, not subject. Okay. Whose, who is, who has, who was. Okay. Peak. Yes, on the top. Peak. It's a verb. Peak. So this we add, this is a phrase, fit of peak. Means when you feel bad about something. Bad in a way that you are angry, but in not a very literal sense. You feel bad about, you are sympathetic about the situation. कि कुछ बुरा हुआ है and you feel bad about it. It can be related to being frustrated or irritated also. Personal. We all know what is personal. Personal. I am a personal to Career Express. Employee. Precede.
Allow.
You're sleeping with your open eyes. Proceed.
Allow.
पहले जाना. Proceed. आगे बढ़ना. Go ahead. Principal. School वाला principal. The authority. Principal. Ethics. Rain. Barish. Rain. The era from which a person started ruling and till when they ruled. वो time period जो होता है उनके rule का, that is called reign. Reign. Yes, to control. Rational. Yes. Rational. Reason behind something. Reverend. Reverence पता है क्या होता है? I'm asking reverence. Kind of. Way of paying respect to somebody. Worship के फॉर्म में भी हो सकता है. उसी का दूसरा फॉर्म है रेवरेंड. ओके. रेवरेंट. Oh, sorry. 1 minute. 1 minute. What I mentioned is this. Reverend. This is a person. Yes, not necessarily a church. It can be in a temple also. It can be a priest also. So the people who work for some position at a worship place, that person is called a reverend. Okay. Because the people who work at a worship place have different positions. Position doesn't matter. सारे लोगों को reverend बोलते हैं. Okay, reverend. This is the one that I mentioned, to pay worship or to pay respect. Road. Road. Past tense of? Yes. Sense. Since. This can also be used as a conjunction. This can also be used as an adjective. No, not an adjective. Adverb. ठीक है? This can also be used as a preposition. Stationary. With a A. When something is still, not moving, stable. Stationary with E. This. pencil, pen, rubber, whatever. Taught. I hope you all will remember what I taught. Taught. Sorry? देखा है ना उसमें? देख लिया ना तुमने? Tight. It can be used figuratively as well और literal भी use कर सकते हैं. First वाले में literal use किया है. Second और third वाले में figuratively use किया है. No. Something which is tight. हिंदी में हम कभी कभी अगर हम फिगरेटिव यूसेज उसका देख रहे हैं तो बोलते हैं ना बहुत जबरदस्त है, उस वे में भी उस सेंस में यूज कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज समथिंग विच इज यू कैन नॉट मूव इट, इट्स स्ट्रेंथेंड और tied on both the poles, you can use it that way also. There. Possessive. Adjective. Their house. Their bag, whatever. There. Over there. Here का opposite there. They are. They were. Two. 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 Waist. Waist. Body part. Waist. I hope this lecture doesn't go in waste. Week. 7 days. Weak. Not strong. Witchcraft wali witch. Female magician. Which female magician? You want? I can't say the Hindi. It's offensive and derogatory. Your. Please don't let me. After the class. Possessive, adjective. Your. Long time back. Long time ago. बहुत पुरानी बात. You are, you were. We have 10 minutes, no? Open your page number 25. What page your exercise is on? Sure, in some time. In some time. Start doing the exercise. We'll start solving. We'll start discussing. Yeah. What? I know it isn't. It is. It's just offensive. It is. Okay. 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 He also left. Great. Yashasvi, can you read the instruction for us?
Each question,
Louder.
each question, I don't have to type I had. From the ideas and analytic and critical, select the most appropriate words to form correct sentences. Then from the options given, choose the best.
Instructions clear? Originality has always been the writer's forte or forte. Forte. The popularity of classical music gradually began to wane or wane. W, okay. V, sure. No. Okay, WANE, what does it mean? Then how did you say V? Moon के phases पता है? Then a waning, waxing. Waning is today is what? Full moon.
Oh.
Okay. It's the waxing moon. जब मून यहाँ से यहाँ होता है या फिर it's like this or it's, please don't mind my shabby drawing. So अगर यहाँ से यहाँ होता है then it's increasing. If it's like this then it's decreasing. Decrease हो रहा है, size छोटा हो रहा है, then it's waning. So here it's the popularity of classical music gradually began to decrease, wane. Okay. The wry sense of humor. What is the RYE? What is WRY? Both are pronounced the same. What does that mean? हाँ, पर उसमें भी राय का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Rye is a grain. It's a grain which is used to make beverages, which is used to make mostly alcoholic beverages. This one. On the other hand, this can be used in literal sense as well as in comparisons or in figurative way. WRY wala rye is bent or tilted or twisted or broken. यहाँ पे figuratively use किया है the broken sense of humor. ठीक है? The event provides an opportunity for the army to showcase its one might is the modal verb, may might वाला. यहाँ पे might का मीनिंग क्या है? MIGHT. Might power. MIT जो इंसेक्ट होता है छोटा, ओके, ऑपोजिट है ये यहाँ पे. So which one we will choose? The event provides an opportunity for the army to showcase its A, might. The devastating earthquake came as a major blow to the country which was already in the throes of an economic recession. What does it mean? Decline or crisis, you can say. A struggling phase. Okay. Surge. Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit वगैरह पे लेट नाइट या फिर रेन की वजह से सर्ज प्राइस लगता है ना, सडन इंक्रीज. SURGE is that. What is SERGE? We are going to leave in 5-7 minutes. Is it that urgent? All right. Yeah, surge. Sudden surge. अभी तो बोला मैंने. Yes. SER. It's a fabric, thick not summer, winter. Thick fabric, woolen जैसा होता है. Okay. counsel, advice. You must listen to the advice of your elders. बताओ कौन सा? The kind old lady took pity on the little wretch and gave him some food. Yeah. Bestowed, besotted. This is the past form of this word. Sorry. Beseech. That's the first form of verb. Second form is besotted. What does it mean? He is so dash by her that he is oblivious. अच्छा oblivious क्या होता है?
No.
Not aware, not having any clue. Correct. To every fault of hers. तो यहाँ पे तो ये नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे ये आएगा. This besotted, B-E-S-O-T-T-E-D, is to be attracted or infatuated towards someone or something. ठीक है? The second one, जिसका first form is beseech, this means to beg for something. Next. Oh, 4 minutes we have. The social gaffe committed by the actress soon began to do the rounds in social networking sites. A huge mistake, a blunder. Yes. The rulers of the smaller kingdoms were forced to cede their territories. Cede. The government issued a series of ordinances which are intended to maintain law and order in the country. Yes. First one is law. Second one is the weapons. Yes. So here it is this one. The book.
There is no option to the book. It wouldn't make sense. The government should see these are laws which are in the law. Rules to the law.
Rules and regulations. Rules and regulations. Fourth one, insight A. What does this word mean? Arsonists. Arsonists, the one that underlined. जो आग लगा देते हैं. Like literally. Hail. There are multiple meanings of this word H-A-I-L. One is hailstorm वाला जो hail होता है, that. The other is यहाँ पे जो दिया है hail, वही stones की बारिश. The other meaning is where I belong from. I hail from Surat. वो वाला hail. There's one more meaning. Hail. You are talking in the positive sense or negative? It's used in positive connotation. किसी को you're talking about someone who's very powerful. कि हाँ उसी का power आना चाहिए. We are in agreement or we are praising that person. Although your example was a little okay. Next, timber. ER is tree wala, wood wala timber. RE is related to your voice, the vocal cord. Okay. Next. Ale. ALES is beverages wala ale. AILS is something which is harmful. Okay. We'll do the last one here. Yeah, here it will be A. Last one. Complacent, complacent. दोनों opposites है यहाँ पे. Which one? Yolk. One is egg yolk, the other one is? It is B. What does it mean? Yolk, again, it has figurative meaning and the literal meaning. Literal meaning is burden. बहुत बड़ा भार. It can be used here. It is used in figurative sense. ठीक है? Burden. Next, complacent. एक complacent का meaning है like a people pleaser. कि किसी को खुश करने के लिए you can do something, you can do anything, you can surrender yourself. The other one is you are a careless person, carefree person, you are overconfident, you don't care about anyone or anything. Here, yeah, it's B. Hold, we've done this. One hold is a group, the other is to collect. Discrete. Sure? Okay, ठीक है. Your homework is to finish till 20. Okay?